Hi there, my name is Kaytlyn Larson, and I am a technical support specialist here at GoLinks. Today, I want to talk to you about security and privacy. Here at GoLinks, we understand how important security and privacy is, especially when you're integrating a new company into your everyday workflow. As you can see, security and privacy is our top priority. We have a lot of stuff in place to make sure that your team feels secure, but there are a couple options that you guys have available to make them even more secure. One of those options is SSO. So that's your single sign-on option. We have a bunch of different options available to our enterprise clients. If there's any that you guys currently use and you want to have integrated into your workplace, reach out to our team and we can see if it's something that we can work into GoLinks for you. We also have access logging. This helps make sure that each individual feels secure, that their information is only being accessed by them. If there is any suspicious activity, we'll make sure that this is recorded and reported to you as soon as possible. Also, our servers are very secure and they are in remote locations to make sure that you guys have your data protected at all times. We also have data encryption. This is another level of security to make sure that your data is always secure. We also have it so that there are multiple servers so that if one is down, you guys are going to be able to have access to your data still. Also, if your team needs a security review or any sort of non-disclosure agreement, reach out to us and we will make sure that this is something we take care of for you. Other stuff we have in place is able to be found here in our help center. One of those things that is super important is when you are inviting your new team members. You want to make sure that only people within your company's domain are able to access your workplace. We make sure of this in the fact that even if you're trying to send a GoLink invitation to somebody who's not in your workplace, as you can see right here in this picture, you can see golinks.com versus golinks.io. It tells you that the email does not match the valid email domain. Therefore, this will not be sent. So if you have any questions or there are any security concerns that you guys have, you can reach out to us right here in our intercom chat and we will do our best to answer any questions you guys have. If we ourselves at our technical support team cannot help you, we will bring this to somebody else on our team and we'll make sure that we get you answers to any questions that you guys have. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you guys next time. Hope to see you as part of our GoLinks family.